Hello and welcome back. Today we are doing a very requested video which is about lip care. So we're going to show you 3 products that you need for your lip care, and let's get into it. Okay, so our first step is obviously a lip scrub. No lip routine is complete without a lip scrub. So the one that we have is by Unpa. It's their Bubble Lip Scrub. It's quite a tongue twister. Anyway, so if you have chapped lips, dry lips, any of that stuff, you definitely need this baby right here. Now, it's not like your usual lip scrub. It comes out in like a whitish gel consistency when you pump it out. And once you apply it on your lips, it literally starts having these cute little bubbles on your lips. So don't freak out about it. The product hasn't gone bad or anything. That's just the way it works. And once you keep it on for 5 minutes, you literally just have to wipe it off. It's that simple. So all of you who are scared of, those other scrubs out there that are super harsh, this one isn't. It's literally like a chemical exfoliator but for your lips. Next up, let's talk about the ingredients in this little baby right here. So first up, it has PHAs. PHAs are, it's a chemical exfoliator, but it's very gentle on your lips. So it's called a polyhydroxy acid. What this does is it goes in and it softens that dry, cracked lip, all that extra skin that you have there to soften it. And then it has cellulose, which helps to take all of that build out of your lips. Okay, now along with this, it has Exert Moist, which is a patented ingredient to moisturize your skin, as the name suggests. It also has a bunch of extracts right from witch hazel, papaya, grapefruit, and it has shea butter, olive oil, along with ceramide. So you are going to love this. It not only exfoliates your lips, but it also hydrates and moisturizes your lips. Literally everything in one go. Okay, now let's talk usage. I would use this probably once, maximum twice a week. It does a great job, so you don't really need to use it all the time. Also, I would say that if you are using a liquid lipstick and your lips tend to get dry, chapped, whatever, this is great to use post that or even before that to, just have that really nice canvas and your skin being luscious and super supple. So yeah, try it out and let's move on to the next one. Okay, next up we're going to be talking about the One Thing Moisturizing Lip Essence, as you can see on my lips right now. Anyway, this is great to use during the day, during the night. You can also use this after the scrub. All of the good stuff. It's very hydrating, very moisturizing, and super repairing. The best part about it is it's not thick, so you can use it during the day and not feel like you have something on your lips. It's actually oily and watery at the same time. I don't know how to say it, but it does have petroleum, but again, it isn't like very, very thick. So it does have 3 carrier oils, jojoba, argan oil, and olive oil, which make it very, very hydrating and moisturizing. Again, this is super travel friendly and it's also fragrance free. So if you have very delicate lips or you can't take any fragrance in your skincare, then this is definitely a go-to. So as our last step for a lip care routine, I'm going to be talking about the Klavuu Lip Sleeping Pack. Now, this one is a multi-purpose lip product, so it hydrates, moisturizes, and it gets rid of dead skin cells, which I think is fabulous. In terms of ingredients, it has almond oil, avocado oil, and apricot oil. So all these oils again are very, very nourishing, and they gently exfoliate while you're sleeping, which I think is fabulous. This can be used by everyone and literally every night. I use it every night and sometimes during the day, like today, I guess. But yeah, absolutely love it. It also smells divine. It smells like glazed donuts, like vanilla glazed donuts, but so soothing. It's unbelievable. So if you like a hint of vanilla, it isn't overpowering at all, but just a hint. It's super soothing to your senses as well. And what I do is sometimes when I'm out and about and I don't want to put any lipstick or lip gloss to further irritate my lips, I honestly just put this and get out. As you can see, it looks super glossy. And yeah, it's just nourishing your skin as you're out as well, which I absolutely love. So yeah, that was it for the lip care routine. I hope this was super helpful for you all. Do remember that you can also start with one product at a time and include it in your current routine, so you don't need to get overwhelmed and get everything together. If you do try any of these products, do let us know how you like them, and if you have any more questions regarding anything to do with lip care, let us know in the comments below and we'll be sure to reply to you. Till then, take care and see you super soon. Bye.